Hey, guys! Welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer a file into Gmail to Gmail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail app, and after opening the Gmail, simply click on this Compose button down here. From there, you will get this interface. You just simply have to select the Gmail where you want to send the file. After selecting the Gmail where you want to send the file, you can enter the subject. I'm simply writing down, just file, here. You can also attach a message into your email body. Now, to send the file, you just simply have to click on this attachment option here. From here, you can get this attach file option and insert from drive. You just simply have to choose the option which is suitable for you. If you have the file in Drive, choose the second option Insert from Drive, and if you have the file in your gallery files or videos, simply select Attach File option here. Now, you have to select any of the documents or files here, and after selecting it, it will appear into your email. Now, you have to send this email by clicking on this blue Send button at the top. By following these very easy steps, you can easily send a file from one Gmail to another Gmail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.